Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. As Scott Porter always says, Heroclix is family. And we have the Bat family. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at WizKids, DC Heroclix, Fight for Gotham City, Batman family. And as you can see here, it's the family of Batman, Robin, and Batgirl. Okay, so this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, and this is part of additional things that you can buy outside of the Fight for Gotham main set. Okay, so you can buy Bolt Booster, you can buy the Bat Knight, you can buy the terrain and map kit, and you can buy this Batman family. Okay. On the side, we see the same illustration of the trio with a QR code if you want to learn how to play. On the other side, same with a different QR code of where to find local events. I wonder if Philippines is reflected there. And then at the back, the same. On top, an information that this is for 14 years old and above. We're definitely on the above. And this product was released 2026 by WizKids NECA LLC. Okay, so I got this particular item from our sealed tournament here in the Philippines for the set. We had a 2 booster sealed, and I pulled Cheshire and Pied Piper, 2 super rares, and ended up winning the tournament. So I had the first pick out of the possible prizes, and I chose this one. So let's take a look at this item. Ooh. Okay. So you see here Batman, but where's the other two? Let's pop them out of the clear plastic. And we have, I like that it's really protected. We have, there you go. We have Robin and Batgirl. Okay, so it's a 2x2 game piece, game element. You can see the side. They're swinging into an action as a family. The family that fights crime together stays together. I don't know if that's true. Most likely it's not, because if you fight crime together, there's a good chance that one of you will be unalived. Okay. So great sculpt, definitely. That alone makes it really worthwhile. Okay, so it's been a while since I saw this, how do you call it, griffon or statue sculpt, and it's bigger than previous iterations. Okay, so it looks like a team base, but let's see. For the card, it is set number 201, and the Batman family has the Batman family team ability, as it should, and a team player ability, as it should. Keywords are Batman family, Gotham City, Justice League, Teen Titans, Detective, Martial Artist, and Police. Okay. He has a trait, or rather, they have a trait, Nightly Patrols. If Batman family is on the rim of elevated terrain or occupies at least 1 square of hindering terrain, okay, lines of fire drawn to them are hindered. Okay, when Batman family, but I think that last part, we're in one square, that applies to all 2x2 figures, I think, or only for Colossals, I'm not so sure, but it's good that it applies to them even as a standard figure. Going back, when Batman family makes an attack, they may choose up to 2 other opposing characters within range and line of fire. Those characters become targets of the attack. Okay, so that, I would imagine, bypasses shape change. Okay, and at the back, we have a second trait, vanish into the shadows. When Batman family clears action tokens, you may place them on their card. If you do, at the beginning of your next turn, place them in a square of hindering terrain or adjacent to an opposing character. Okay. So that's placing, you can place them anywhere on the map. Yeah, so that sounds really good. And he has a special attack power, smoke pellets. Smoke cloud as free. Okay, so anything free is good, especially post Beetlejuice era. Real name is Bruce Wayne, Dick Grayson, and Barbara Gordon. Detective Comics number 483, 1979 is the significant appearance. The Batman family is also called Bruce, Dick, Barbara. Okay, that sounds highly inappropriate. Okay. He has a special movement that moves through elevated, okay, outdoor blocking, and can move even, does not stop if he gets adjacent. Okay. Comes in at 125 or 85 points. At 125, he has charge, precision strike, willpower, and prob. At 85 points, he has plasticity, precision strike as well, willpower as well, and is that willpower? Willpower and outwit. Okay. I'm looking most likely at 85 points because you can always place him anywhere on the map, so you don't have to have a move and attack power. Okay, 85 points. I'm sure there's gonna be free equipments because they have the Batman family and Gotham City. So I think even 2x2 can be equipped because this is a standard character. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the chat. And then towards the end, towards the middle, he gains that special attack power of smoke cloud, and towards the end, he gains that charge, precision, willpower, and close combat expert. Which makes me wonder whether these three dials, these three part or sections of the dial represents each one of them. Like Barbara Gordon for the first one, Batman for the middle, and Robin for the tail end of the dial. Okay, so if you know, again, put in the comments. So 85 points, probably need to playtest to make sure that he is viable at that point line. Okay, but for now, let's enjoy our prize for the Shield tournament. So until the next video, Bat Family swinging out.